Rookie trader, what is up? Just fixing this video a little bit, the description to get rid of the stupid Powered by Restream and put my little thumbnail in. Maybe I should do make a new thumbnail. What a pop. What a pop. I got some of it. Don't worry, I got off the top orb, or was it the bottom orb? The top orb bounce on the NQ. It's okay. I got, oh, VWAP. We're back at VWAP. The VWAP. It's all right. I got like 5 points from it. Not, killing it. We have VWAP over here too. Yeah. I don't know if we're gonna go through it though. We're approaching power hour. Welcome to power hour. That's what Kang would say on Black Box. Is VWAP holding? Is the VWAP holding? Looking like it. Oh, we got the bottom orb rejection here on the Qs. Oh, I'm not in anything. I was waiting to get filled here at the pivot point. I have an order in my TopStep account way up here. But I don't know. This shit's locked. There we go. Got these orders up here at the NQ pivot point. But we're rejecting off of VWAP, and we also are rejecting off the bottom orb already down. Shit. I had it already down 5 points. Ugh, I hate missing out. FOMO was real. I'm just making myself a new thumbnail right about now. Don't mind me. This one's gonna have my ugly mug on it. All right, here we go. Live. Let's see. Join me on this. Join me live as I trade prop firm. I trade futures with prop firms like Apex, Take Profit Trader, and TopStep. Like a total degenerate. Now let me put that next to my stupid face. All right, here we go. Make it this way. like a total degenerate. Make this wider. That. Yeah. I like that. What's up, guys? ZERODAYJay here. Just making a new thumbnail. God bless you. My wife just sneezed. My beautiful. Oh, you're okay. I don't want anybody to think I said it to them. because they didn't sneeze. Although God bless you guys as well. God bless you. God bless all of you. God bless America. All right, so that's done. I don't even know how many people are on because I'm not paying attention. I just wanted to make a new thumbnail because I think this one is cool, and I didn't give it a name. Shit. Let me give this a name. Live. Boom. All right. Now I can go back and see what's going on in the chat. I can't believe I didn't get fucking filled here. Look at that. 9 points from the VWAP. The VWAP. More than that. 10 points. 11 points. Unbelievable. Who does that? Who doesn't take a position at one of their key levels? No. Resets aren't free. I don't. Oh, I'm reading a comment. Uh, I don't think so, man. Not. I've never gotten a free reset. I'm just replying to a comment on one of my. All right. Let's see what's going on. Oh, 10 people watching. What is up? What is up? I actually got on before Power Hour for once. What up, Dom C? Yeah, I got abused a little bit by the market too. Whoops. Take my volume down. Nice rejection off the VWAP. So we had this VWAP rejection right here, right, for like 11 points. And that's on the NQs. And if you look at the Qs, we had it right here. And also the bottom orb rejected. So is it going to push through this time or is it going to reject again? We're approaching the last hour, the last hour of regular trading hours for the week. So I'm not really sure if there's a lot of volume, all that type of stuff. So we'll see how it plays out. Yeah, today we might need to make some adjustments tactical because the market's kind of making some adjustments in how it moves. And it's been a weird week all around, but there were definitely opportunities. I mean, right here we had a bounce off. Yeah, we wicked down, but we basically bounced hard off of this lower VWAP band. We had a rejection on the off the pivot point on the Qs. We look at the hourly NQs. We had a big rejection off of that right here. 40, 50 points. Happened a couple times. We actually went way over and it came all the way back down and bounced. Like, look at these wicks though. This is like, this is no fun. I could see us going back down, all the way down even further. This is the hourly chart. Looks like fucking shit. But here on the 5-minute, right now we got the 200. You got VWAP. You got a pivot point. And then, I'm going to get rid of all these fucking moving averages. They kind of, there we go. VWAP, the orb. Here's the top orb. We just bounced off the top orb, for 20-something points. Here's the bottom orb. We wicked below it, but we bounced anyway, Well, I've already blown 2 of those, rookie trader. They're $19. Whatever, just get another one. I think that $19 promotion with TopStep ends on Monday, from what I understand. I could be wrong though. Maybe they'll extend it. Maybe they'll be full-blown degenerates like Apex and they'll just extend it. So check this out. If you go into the description below, if you haven't tried TopStep yet, or you haven't tried their TopStepX platform, which I think is amazing. Um, whoops, I got my volume on. You check here, you'll see here's a link for here's my link for TopStep to get 19. So where else would you get 19? Can you get $19 evals right now? You can't get them from Apex. And I love Apex, but they're only doing 80% off. I have a feeling they're gonna do 80% off sale because I guarantee you they lost money. They didn't make as much money in this TopStep promotion. So anyway, yeah, shameless plug, whatever. Click my link, support the channel, do it for the stream. Oh look, rejecting off of VWAP again at 12 o'clock. Is this gonna just flush? Is this how we're starting Power Hour with a flush? We're already down 12 points from VWAP. Also, oh, what did I just do? Undo what? Uh-oh. Damn, bottom orb rejection. Hardcore. Look at that. Fucking, oh my God. Oh my God. And you know what else is going on? I wouldn't be surprised if we get stuck around here and then we bounce because you got on the hourly, you got this pivot point right here at 38.25. I could maybe it wicks below it, but that's what's been happening. It's been like wicking below it and then coming back up. So who knows? Who knows? What's up, Peter Shapp? What's going on? I got to get my coffee. I forgot all about that. Be right back. I mean, I have orders up here. I'm waiting for that pivot point to get hit on the Qs, on the NQs. But you know what? The pivot point for the Qs is right around here. So I'll add a fucking sell order right there. I missed the orb rejection. The bottom orb right here is at around. This is the bottom orb, like right here, 57.25, 57.50 on the Qs. We rejected off of it twice so far since we got back up to it. Well, here too, you count this. But this hit the pivot point right here. So we went from 63 down to 29. That's like 34 points. Oh, look where we bounced. We bounced like right above the pivot point on the hourly. Right here. Now we're popping up. Like, who knows what's going to happen? I'm getting my coffee. So who knows? Oh, what a bounce, though. Look at that. 10 points. Woohoo! Yeah. They're $19 a month. So, like, if you don't even use them, it's only 19. It's not like some other prop firms that run deals and it's like, it's 19. It's a low price for the first month, and then the next month it's back to the full price. It'll be $19 a month, I think, as long as you have it. What a bounce! Holy shit! Right off this pivot point, basically, 15 points already. Damn! All right, we're back at the top orb, the bottom orb. Here it is. We going up to the pivot point, or are we gonna reject again? Look at that shit. That's a 5-minute candle. Look at that wick. I think we're just gonna keep pushing up, but I will take a shot here at this pivot point on the Qs, and right above that is the pivot point on the NQs at the 5-minute mark, the 5 and 15 chart. See, I don't know if VWAP's going to hold this time, but I do believe this is going to hold. But who the fuck knows, you know? Yeah, it definitely does that. It'll definitely play with your head, rookie trader. Because I already nuked one, and the other one is basically nuked, and I'm just like, whatever. Because I'm used to, I'm like that with take profit trader fucking test accounts too. I'm just completely desensitized to smoking test accounts. It's just like whatever at this point. What's up, everybody? People left when I went to get coffee. People don't like when I get coffee. You guys got something against drinking coffee? People who left. Chapstick. Up. We're getting this bottom orb rejection, VWAP rejection. The VWAP, as some people like to refer to it as. Whoops. For those of you who are not aware and want to check out TopStep and their $19 we got that right there. $19 TopStep 50K accounts. Doesn't get any better than that. I'm waiting for Apex to do a 90% sale. That'd be great. I feel like they're going to. I just have that feeling. I feel it in my loins. Let me put my wedding band on in case, in case all the ladies know I'm on the stream. They might start flocking. They're flocking. Hey, listen, ladies. Listen, ladies. I'm a married man, happily married man. My wife is beautiful and I love her.
Don't make jokes.
She's in the room. She's on the couch over there. I don't think there's any females on the stream. But yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do here. I think we're gonna go up. I hope we go up and hit this pivot point because I have orders all around it. But the bottom orb. Let me get these fucking things out of the way. The bottom orb is holding strong. It rejected off of it 1, 2, and now this is the third time it's rejecting off it. Well, 3 times here, and then I would count this as a bottom orb rejection too because it only just popped over it a little bit. 4. It's only going to hold so many times, but as of right now, it is holding, and I haven't taken one trade to play it, and that's something I like to play. I just got nervous, around the new hour, you just never know which way it's going to go. So I've been burned so many times, including last night. Yeah, it's probably what up, Amit? It's probably low volume. It's Friday, there's an hour left. It's low volume. Yeah, and it's Mother's Day weekend, so they might be going like on trips or something. Who knows? But that's a nice fucking rejection. How many points are we talking about here? 10 points, 12 points. We getting a 34 bounce here. This is a new test account because I fucked my pro account already. Actually, I fucked the test account after I fucked this pro account. This is my second test account since my newly fucked pro account. But it's up $900, so whatever. It's in a good spot. Got this TopStep account here. Got a new one, actually. This one's temporarily liquidated. This one's done. It was just fucking around. But I love this platform. I think this is great. I mean, it's just kind of chopping. There's definitely moves that are being made. There's definitely moves happening. Ooh. Look at that. That just gives me, I don't know, just makes me feel like we're going to go up. Look at this wick here. This is the 5-minute chart. Huge wick. Let me get rid of these fucking moving averages. They're kind of, well, there, I mean, we bounce right off the 8. Go figure. Twice. But that is also right above that. This is the pivot point. Right here is basically the pivot point on the hourly for the NQ. So I'm going to draw a little line here, do some artwork. We're gonna go get an art class right now. Is that it? I don't know if that's it. Maybe right about here. That's basically the pivot point. That is the pivot point on the hourly. We bounced off of it several times. Wow. Bottom orb on the Q is holding strong. 59.47 right there. Bottom orb. Here's the top orb, way up here. Holy shit. That's a big range. Must have, I think we dumped at the open. I think that's why it is such a big range. Yeah, this TopStep account. This is the one I had. I had this up $1,600 on the second day I had it, or maybe it was considered day three. I don't even know, but I had it up $700 and $1,600 overall, and then I gave back all 700, and then hit the daily loss limit of, but it blew through it, and I got taken out at negative 1340, and I built it back up. So I mean, it's in pretty good shape. You know, it's still at 50. You know, it's still way over. You know, I'm just waiting to see what's going to happen. I don't know which way it wants to go. So far, it keeps rejecting off of VWAP on the NQ and the bottom orb on the Qs and VWAP. We got VWAP and the bottom orb like right on top of each other, so that's like strong resistance. And it couldn't flip to support, so who knows? Who knows? I don't know if I'm going to take another trade. I'm probably going to for the stream, but you know, because why not? But right now, I don't think I'm going to trade this account. I like where this account's at. The only way I'm going to trade this account is if we get up to the pivot point on the Qs, right? We get back up here, and then also I'll add more when we get to the pivot point on the NQs. That's when I'm gonna go short in that account. Same thing with this. I actually have my orders in. So they gave out a free reset yesterday to everybody. Peter, was there like a code or something? Hold on a second. I gotta look. Which account is it? 3412. Reset account. Wow, resets are cheap. 2450 for a reset? That's still less than an Apex fucking eval right now. Is there a promo code for this? TopStepX maybe? I don't know. No. Free. Free reset, brother. Is that the code? Free reset, brother? Oh, that actually free reset was actually a code at one point. It says it's disabled. Oh, you have to fill out a form on their YouTube page. Yo. Don't threaten me with a good time. Can I go over to it and do it now, or I missed it? What's up, Kevin? Oh, you just smart on their part. I'm giving out free codes too. You got to hang out with me all day. Free codes. I'll just put a bunch of codes in. They're my codes, my coupon codes. But they're free. They're free for you to copy and paste them in the coupon code field when you're getting a new eval or test account with Take Proper Trader and Apex. Oh man, wallet. At some point, I'm gonna do some sort of giveaway with my channel. I want to get. It's probably gonna be, you know, basically like of any of these, any of these prop firms that are like running some crazy deal. Yeah, I don't know if it's worth. Is that the best use of your time? I mean, you probably can learn something about trading by watching their stream. Obviously, they know how to trade. They definitely know how to get money from us. But they're traders also. You know what I mean? So they're probably trading in their accounts or whatever. Yeah, you just happen to be on there. I do like. They have this here. I don't, I don't know if they're streaming on their channel as well, on their YouTube channel, but they're literally on. They're on right now on their platform. I think that's really cool. They do it right. They do it. They do. They're fucking cool. I don't know if it's still active. Probably not. You'd have to like sift, like dig through a stream to find it. But yeah, I'm planning on doing some sort of, eval giveaway. Give away like 5 or 10 accounts. I'm not sure if I want to do it leading up to 1,000 subscribers or I want to do it when I hit 1,000 subscribers. But I got to figure out exactly how I want to do it. Um, Here, let me go into my TopStep account. I don't think there's any. There's no. All right. So which one did I smoke completely? It's this one. 3412 is gone, right? So let me see. Let me go to it and hit the reset button. Reset account. Look, 50% off first reset applied. Maybe this is because it's the first reset I've ever done, or maybe it's because it's the first reset for this account. I'm not really sure if that's which reason is why, but I haven't done any resets since I got my TopStep account, a few days ago. So maybe it's first reset applied. So I don't know if that's first set. Like I'm not sure if that's for this specific combine account or if it's just my account overall. So I'm not really sure. Oh yeah, I wouldn't. But yeah, $19. $19. $19 freaking combine accounts. Doesn't get It's fucking great. All right, here we are again. Back at the bottom orb and the this blue line is VWAP. The VWAP. This we're over the bottom orb. This red line is the bottom orb, and this blue line is VWAP on the Qs. So we're over it. Let's see if I get filled on anything. Can I get filled on something? Oh, there's a pop. I wish I was long. Yeah, you could buy 10. Yeah, 10 on the TopStepX code. That's only for so long, because I think Monday that the promotion ends. I could be wrong though. But hey, if you guys are new to the stream, I see we got 24 other people watching besides myself watching on my other laptop. Welcome. Thanks for hanging out. Welcome back. If obviously, I know a bunch of you guys in here. If you're not a subscriber to the channel, make sure you subscribe because I stream every day around. I like to get on around, I say 1:30, 2 o'clock, but that hasn't happened once this week. But anywhere between like 2 and 3 o'clock, I get on and stream 2 and through close. And I take trades. So I just haven't taken any trades yet. Wow, what did we reject off at this time? Oh, the pivot point. Fuck, I missed it. Did I get filled? Oh, I did get filled. Ha! Yeah, baby. Let's lock in some gains here, maybe, potentially. Limit buy. Let's get taken out for another $120. Let's do it. Boom. Woohoo! Doing my best Chaz impression from Wedding Crashers. That was cool. Got that pivot point rejection on the cues right here. Boom. But I have a feeling we're gonna go up a little higher. That was fun. Love when that happens. But yeah, I stream every day during regular trading hours. Around 2, 3 o'clock. I get on. I never get on later than power hour. I'm always on at least for power hour, but my goal is to get on at least an hour before that. And then whatchamacallit? I'm just reading the chat. And I'll stream like at night. If I'm trading at night, like after my wife and kids are in bed, if I'm trading, I'll hop on and chill out during the stream. I've kind of been doing that every night. So whenever there's trading, I'm not going to hop on tonight. I don't think anyone wants to just hang out and talk about trading. They want to see action and they want to be in the action. So, but yeah, the turnouts are pretty good at night. I just got to stop trading so late. Like, need to hop in and out of some trades and then chill and then fucking go to bed. But I always find myself getting trapped in a trade and then I'm fucking up until 2:30, 3 o'clock in the morning, which isn't fun. So yeah, just took another trade for $140. Woohoo! So here's the pivot point on the cues. I know we're gonna go through it. I don't know if it's gonna hold, but this is right around the pivot point. The pivot point on the NQ is right here at 68.50. So I'm hoping to get filled. There we go. Will it hold? I just don't want it to blow through it. That's what I don't want to happen. But I got filled on one here on my Take Profit Trader test account, and I'm kind of liking the fact that it's already what am I in, one? Let's get taken out here, maybe possibly. I'll put a stop here. I don't want it to go to waste. Oh, it is going to waste. No. Please no. Granny, no. That's stupid. At least I got $60, but whatever. $60 more. It's up $960 overall on the first day. Not right. Hey, Peter, not right when it opens. It really depends on what's going on because that's 6 o'clock. Maybe I should. That would be a cool time to get on and do some degen trading. But it's usually not the best time for me to do that. So I usually wait till like later on. Like I'll trade. I usually like during the overnight, the overnight, for those of you who might not be aware, the overnight starts at 6 p.m. Eastern time every day before a regular trading day. So Sunday's the first. It opens for the week, and then I'll trade during that time. But like, there's always like so much going on around me. I won't stream. I'll stream when everybody's like sleeping at night at least. Okay, 7 p.m. Central Time is 5 p.m. Oh, look, see, where was my order? I do this shit all the time. It pisses me off. 55.25. Well, not really. Wait, no, 58.50. Did it come down to 58.50? Not exactly. Not yet, at least. What's the 323 area code? Oh, LA. Yeah, 6 p.m. Yeah, because you got the opening range. You'll get the opening range breakout for 6 o'clock, and then at midnight, well, at 3 o'clock in the morning, 3 a.m. Eastern time, you got London opens, and so far, that shit moves pretty crazily. I think I've smoked. That's when I smoked my fucking Take Profit Trader account. I smoked that account, and I hit like daily loss limits on TopStep the day before on London Open. I got to remember to not be in for London Open, like leading up to it or anything. It's pretty wild. It's not nearly as good as like obviously New York time, New York trading hour open, but it definitely moves. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm noticing that. So I'm just, now the next couple of times I'm just going to sit back and make sure I'm not in anything and just observe and see and then wait for an opportunity because leading up to it, like it'll do the opposite of what you think is going to happen. This happened to me a couple times already. So I got to just remember that. Look, 59, 58.50. Is it going to hit 58.50? Almost. Don't worry. I got $60 from that pivot point rejection. Woohoo! Could have been could have been another $80. FOMO, what up? What's going on, FOMO? Welcome. How long have I been doing YouTube? I think I started like early January, mid Jan. I mean, I've been doing marketing stuff like since like '05, but this specific prop firm trading journey stuff, the beginning of January, middle of January. Let me look at my look at the all my uploads. I'll tell you when I got the first upload. Um, does it tell you the date on here? Oh yeah, here we go. First upload. Oh, December. I started December 12th was my first video that I uploaded to this channel to basically document my prop firm journey, my prop firm trading journey. December 12th was the first upload. So, so I'd say we're in basically May 12th. I'm in my. It's been 5 months, 6 months, 5 months. Oh, there we go. It hit. See, I would have gotten taken out. 58.50. It would have been another 80 to $100, $90. It's just getting kind of freaky right now. We're back. Are we back under the orb? No, we're not back under the orb, but we're rejecting off of off this pivot point. Did we hit this pivot point yet? Almost. We almost hit the pivot point. I only got filled with one. Did I get filled in TopStep? Fuck. Oh my God. I just missed. Look at this. 66. I missed it by a point and a quarter. I missed it by 5 ticks. Getting filled on that. That would have been 10 points. Whatever. Appreciate it, FOMO. Thank you, man. Appreciate the support. What's up, Jafo? Do they? I'm curious. Well, I mean, yeah, because you're used to the 1 day to pass with Apex. I'm curious if I mean that's still good. the 2 day rule isn't bad. It's one more day than Apex. I mean, it's not the worst thing in the world, but you got to like, if you go over it, then you have to go up more the next time. You just have to go higher. But yeah, 3 NQ conscience trailing the price this morning. I realized I was, that's cool, man. Still a great day. Still a great day. Hey, yeah, Dom, see, if anything, I have gotten one hater, and I'm not even sure. Oh my God. Come on, film me, yo. Fuck. It's not, oh man. I already got, uh, now we're going to dump. Here comes the dump. I'm not chasing. I am not chasing. Yeah, I've gotten one hater, just one dude that was like, he wasn't like hating, just during the late night stream. I don't know if anyone was on there. I was like, just trying to politely tell him to fuck off, but I didn't block him or anything. I just haven't seen him since. He just rubbing it in how much of an awesome trader he is, and how I'm, how he's commenting on how I trade, and like just trying to like give me unsolicited advice. Like you guys give me advice. Like there's a lot of really smart, really good traders in here. There's a lot of traders in here that are much better than me in here, and they'll just offer their input and what they're looking at, but they do it in a way that's positive, and I welcome it. I love it. You know what I mean? Like we're all here to help each other. This guy wasn't really the type of person that was like trying. He's like, yeah, I'm just trying to help, but he was being a fucking jerk off about it. So I don't like that shit, but I haven't seen him since. So I did get my first hater, but I don't know where he is. I think he's gone. They're always better. It's like, show me your fucking account. I'm like, why are you hanging out on my stream? Like, go start your own stream if you're so fucking good at it, And it was just like right after I fucked up like one of my TopStep accounts that was up, the one that was up $700 and up 1,600 overall, and I didn't nuke it, but I hit the daily loss on it, and I was like, motherfucker. Yeah, why? Yeah, I don't know. Big time. What's up, Sean? Sean Colbert. Big time trial and error. You got to learn. Yeah, and I'm like putting myself out here, like holding myself accountable to myself by making these videos, and then you guys, I feel like I'm accountable to you guys because I don't want to fail. Like I want to succeed, and I want us all to succeed. And if anything, hopefully you watch me when I'm at my worst trading, and you see, wow, that's definitely something you don't want to do when you're trading. Watching when I go tilt and I'm fucking doing dumb shit and adding, but I also make really good trades. I also do make good trades. So like, not that I'm trying to teach anybody anything, because, everybody in here, then once in a while you get some noobs that are learning and stuff, and I'll help them because I do know some stuff about it, but yo, he gets a ton of views, bro. Patrick Weiland. I like Patrick Weiland. He's entertaining. He knows his shit too. He just waits for the right setups, He goes for big moves too, especially on evals. Hey, yeah, Peter Schaap. Hey, fucking jerk off. I think they said jerk. Hey, jerky. Oh, the jerky boys was awesome. Yeah, I mean, it's always going to be people like you when you put yourself out there. Like I'm a huge. I don't know if you guys know who Grant Cardone is. I fucking love him. He's my favorite uncle. I read pretty much every book he's ever put out, and I've gone through a ton of his material and watched a ton of his videos over the years. He says if you want to, if I need more haters. I only have one hater so far. I need more. I need like once I get to the point where I have 100 haters trying to shit on me during the stream, that's when I know I'm definitely doing pretty good. But I'm not there yet. I need more. Some people don't like Grant. Not everyone. He's not for everyone. Not everyone is for everyone. What's up, Marco? Andy. Hope you're having a good day. Hope everyone's having a good day. Grant's cool, but think about how many haters Grant has. There's guys that all they do is make videos shitting on Grant Cardone, trying to pick apart little things that he does. That's all. That's the only reason why they exist in a way. So but he's on another level. The dude's worth over $1 billion. It's fucking crazy. And I remember when he only had how many apartment? I remember when he had like. I mean, I've been following him since he had like maybe like he didn't. He had like 1,000 fucking units or 1,500 units in terms of his apart, his multifamily real estate. Now he has like 10,000 fucking units or some shit. Like he literally 10x's everything all the time. Do I enjoy streaming? Yeah, man. We're all just chilling. I love it. I think it's great. And yeah, Dom, yeah, dude. You have a background in like that type of stuff. Not like the YouTube stuff, but you have that type of background, right? You're like into the music stuff and the music scene, and you do production or whatever. Yeah, I mean, why not? Just put yourself out there. That's the only thing you gotta put yourself out there. Yeah, he's funny. Like when people start like giving him shit in the chat, he starts going like this. He cracks me up though. I think it's hysterical. He cracks me up. I like Alpine Trader. Alpine Trader is real cool. I think Alpine Trader is awesome. He was one of the first guys. He didn't inspire me to start a channel, but he like in the early going when I was just like, you know, when I was just like, what the fuck am I doing? He definitely inspired me. Come on, man. Did I get filled in anything? No. Oh, he's like, I'm like, he was like the first dude I found. I'm like, this shit is real. And then Nutty Bar Trader, he's cool. He's cool. Trades by Matt is cool. I don't watch him all that much, but there's a lot. There's a ton of guys out there. I just want to. I'm not expecting to ever be as. I'm not. I mean, if I could get as big as Patrick Willen, that'd be amazing. But I don't. I don't. That could take forever. That could take a long time. He's been streaming for a while. I think he spends money to build his channel. Man, we are not. Here's the pivot point holding on the Qs, right? And then we're basically holding here on the NQ. But we're kind of bull flagging here, and these wicks. I mean, we could bounce off this VWAP. I don't know. I'm done trading. Like I didn't even show you guys my Apex account. I finished trading my Apex account, before I got on the stream. Yeah, bro. I'm not buying that reset. No way. It's like $650. What's going on, Joe? Yeah, that shit is mad money. It's not free. And they had that deal. Right now they're doing. Right now, Take Profit Traders doing. It's 40% off any size test account, and then a free, and then no fee to upgrade to. You like if you once you pass your test, you don't have to pay to upgrade. And they charge $130 one time, which isn't bad considering TopStep is 150, right? It's all relative. It's just a matter of what your pass rate is. I think your pass rate will determine like what each of these prop firms ends up costing you. You know what I mean? But yeah, it's 40% off any size eval, any size test account, and then $0 upgrade fee once you pass. But yeah, if you want to reset, last month they had a promotion running where you got half price pro account reset. You could do it one time. So instead of paying $649, it was $325, which I can see would be worth it. But I'm not paying $650 to reset a fucking pro account. I'd rather take my chance with 1, 2, 3, 4. I could give myself 6 attempts to pass a test account and not pay the upgrade fee, and it would still be less money than paying $649 to reset. The only thing I would be buying is time. Because now I got to wait another 5 days or whatever to pass, which is whatever. It's fine because I know with Take Profit Trader, that's why I like Take Profit Trader. Eventually, I'm not going to fuck up a pro account. I'll actually trade intelligently and not do anything stupid. And once you get over that $2,000 buffer, you could literally take money on the first day if you want. I'm not going to try to. Maybe that's where in my head subconsciously I'm like, yeah, let's try to push this fucker and get paid on day one. But maybe I shouldn't do that. So here are my Apex accounts. This account. What day is this on? What's up, Aukie? Chris Velarde, what's up? I did trade today. Profit Trader it seems crazy expensive, but I do like my funded futures. I haven't tried it yet. I'm also looking at Trade Day. Trade Day is a lot like Take Profit Trader. But like, I'm not going to abandon Take Profit Trader. I'm going to keep trading with them. I want to build relationships with all of them. But Trade Day is pretty much the same in terms of pricing and rules as Take Profit Trader, but they don't have a daily loss limit. There's no daily loss limit. There's no, Take Profit Trader's daily loss limit nukes your account. TopStep's daily loss limit just stops you from trading. It stops you from yourself, basically. So let me see. What was I just talking about? I fucking forgot. I don't remember. I was talking about something. I'm talking about so many things. I'm like looking at the chat. Remind me. Yeah, Chris, I traded today. No, yeah, Joe. I think were you the one who commented on my video just before? Are you? Oh, that's you. See, like I see you, like I in the chat, I see you as Joe, but on like in the comments, you're Joe 2887. Is that you? I remember. I remember February 8th, 1987. I don't, but I was fucking like 7 years old. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The resets aren't free. It's whatchamacallit. Whoops. I'm trying to get out of this fucking view. It's yeah. I see it like in the notification it just says Joe, but like on the actual in the actual comments, I see the username. Um but yeah, it's not worth it. It's not worth it. But yeah, Kevin, it's all relative. It depends on Take Profit Trader. Their biggest, as far as I'm concerned, their unique selling position is that you could take money on the first day, the second day, the third day, every day, if you wanted to, once you get the account built up. But you can't change how you trade. That's the thing. And you have to be more disciplined with them. You can't do the same dumb shit you might do in an Apex account. Or I don't want to call it dumb shit, even though to me it is for myself, just looking at how some of the trades I make. But you don't want to. You need to be much more disciplined and more conservative and not as aggressive with Take Profit Trader because of that daily loss limit. Or you could just get a bigger account and trade. Get a 150K account and trade it the way you would trade a 50. You know what I mean? But we all know that's not going to happen. We all know that at some point a trade might not be going our way, and we're just going to keep fucking adding, and then you'll have 15 contracts, 15 minis on on the 150K account, and that then that daily loss limit will creep up on you real fast. But I don't think it is anymore. I know about Bullinox. I actually got an account. I thought my issue with Bullinox is they only let you trade with Rhythmic. I can't use Rhythmic. I'm on Macs. I have a MacBook Pro. I don't even I have like an old fucking like gamer laptop that I got one of my kids. I I just hate the way PCs feel. I won't go near them, and I'm not installing VMware or Parallels on my Mac. And Rhythmic has like a login that you could get to, like a virtual login you could do, but for whatever reason, when I enter my credentials, nothing happens. So I did get one of those Bullinox $17 accounts. I just can't use it unless I go buy a PC, some like laptop. But fuck that. I'm not doing that. I'll just pay 19 for TopStep evals. I could use their platform, right here. I'm pissed I didn't get filled though. Damn, by a point and a quarter, 5 ticks. I missed getting filled. That would have been a nice hit. So yeah, they do. No, they're not going to fix it. They're not going to change it. That's where they get their money. You just got to be disciplined. You can't trade like a dummy with them. That's the thing. All right, so let's see. I was at 5,500, but lost 500 like a dummy. Should have stopped at 11 a.m., but I'm hyped. First payout, able to take daily payouts next week. Is that in top Take Profit Trader? Orky? Oh yeah, there it is. I just made 5,000 on day one of my Pro 150K Take Profit Trader. Yeah, dude. See, now that's why. Wow, what a flush! Damn it! That's 14 points. So pissed. Oh my God. Yeah, whatever. Um, Dude, that's great. See what I'm saying? That's why take profit trade is good because that could happen, right? And then like he goes up. I don't know what's the threshold for a 5K account. What's the buffer for a 150K account, Orky? Yeah, I could use a VPS. I know there's a VPS. There's a service out there, but I'm not. It's like fucking $60 a month. Like I don't need to use Bullinox all that much. Okay, so you're over. So like you could literally request money on Monday. Yeah, Joe, the buffer on a 50K account is 2K. He's got the 150, $30 a month. Exactly, but yeah, but I could do that, or I could just get a $19 TopStep account and pay nothing a month. I don't know. I'm just it is what it is. Maybe when I'm like getting regular Apex accounts, you know, getting paid. Well, once I start getting more payouts from Apex, like I'm in line. So I didn't even show you guys yet. So here's my Apex account. Oh, that's what I wanted to look up before. Jesus, just remembered. So I'm just looking at my Apex account to see what day I'm on with number 65. All right, so I'm on day 7 with number 65 and day 3 with number 66. All right, and 65. Like I wasn't trying to push it. I made 2 or 3 trades. Got it up 297. That's actually what I've been averaging every day. So I literally traded up to my average. Now I'm back. Now on day 7, I'm up 2,080. I'm $600. I'm $520 away from locking in a payout with Apex. My second ever payout as a prop firm trader, and it just happens to be with Apex. Um, so as long as I get over on Wednesday or before Wednesday, I would like to like Monday or Tuesday. I'm not going to push it though. It just whatever the market gives me, and if I just take the right trades, obviously. But yeah, Wednesday. I just got to get through Wednesday. Wednesday's day 10 for me, and then Wednesday's also the first day to the withdrawal period is the 15th to the 20th. So Thursday I'll be able to request a withdrawal, but not yet. I don't know yet. I still have to get over it. But assume I don't want to make any assumptions, but if I can get over, once I get over, then on Thursday I will be able to request a payout. So at this pace, if I average $297 a day for the next 3 days, I'll be at like 50. I'll be at like 2,900 in profit. 297 times 10. Yeah, 2,970 basically. Duh. Why am I doing math on that? That's easy. Easy math. Just add a zero. So that's that account. And then this one's on day 3. I took one. I think I did 2 trades in this one. This one I can't. I'm only on day 3, so I'm going to miss that window for the next withdrawal period. So I can't request a payout on this one until June 1st. So why am I going to push this one? Why even bother pushing? I still have to trade for like 14 more trading days. So that's just where my mentality is. I wish I had the same mentality with my Take Profit Trader Pro account, but unfortunately, I was in instant gratification mode. But I had chances to fucking right the ship with it. I went down big the first day, got it to within 70, and then fucking almost hit my daily loss limit. And then on the second day, I went down like $300 or $400 and actually flipped green at one point, and then it went fucking downhill from there. So it's my fault. I'm an idiot. That's what I don't know what else to say. It just fucking it just sucks that it happened, but whatever. It's not all bad because I got this apex. So like right now, this is day 3. I still have to trade on number 66, 5, 10, 14 more days because obviously Memorial Day is closed. I still have to trade for 14 days in number 66 before I could even request a payout. So I'm not going crazy. Like even if this ended up being $150, I would be like, okay, done. I'm not trying to push it. 65 and just make sure I'm out of all of my fucking. I've done this. What the fuck? See, I could have gotten in trouble here. Look at this. I never canceled out all my orders. I have 2 orders down here. Yo, exit all positions, cancel all. yeah, I would like to exit all positions and cancel all orders. Fuck yeah, Jesus, man, that pivot point rejection on the cues. Uh-oh, algo candle. I wish I got filled. That would have been 20 points. Obviously, I wouldn't have held for all of that. Man, that was scary. Could you imagine? You hear the you think you're done trading in an account, and then you hear the dunk noise because you fucking forgot that you had orders in. That's why I do this. I check this. I do this 100 times. I'm like not 100, but I do it excessively. So for sure, I have no working or open orders found in number 65. And let me just confirm that on number 66. Okay. All right. So I'm done. I'm logging out of this shit. Logging out. I'll have to log back in later to make my update video. But anyway, damn. And what did I get on this? Look at this. On that pivot point rejection, I got 60 bucks. 66 to fucking 44, 45. I got 60 bucks. What an idiot. I'd be so stupid. That just drives me crazy. It's not the worst thing in the world. It's not a bad problem. It's like, I'll take a monster L, but I don't always take the most gains. Fuck, man. Anyway, Paradise Garage. Sometimes you just need to look at it. That's my boy Tony from he's up in Hawaii. He's a crypto guy. He's a big crypto guy. He knows his shit with crypto, and he's really good at auto body. And he teaches people how to do auto body and paint. That's what Paradise Garage is. It's my homie. I've known him since damn. When did I meet Tony? 2010. But there's a what the fuck's that guy's name? I gotta find him. Sometimes you gotta look at it. It's a funny like old school skit. Sometimes you just gotta look at it. Look at this car. Yeah, Ed Bassmaster. Look at this car. This is it's fucking hysterical. I'm posting it in the chat because it's so fucking funny. Sometimes when you see it, you have to look at it. Oh man. Yeah, Brett Simper's good. Do you know what Brett originally was doing, Sean? He's really good at trading. He used to have his own signals. He used to have his own signals thing. He would charge like $200 a month for options trading signals. Him and this other dude, Kevin Trades, and then like these guys started. Then these guys, like the Fed started cracking down on dudes that were doing signals. I guess because some guys were like pumping. Some guys were doing it nefariously. I don't think Brett or Kevin Trades were doing anything negative, nefarious. But you know, that's a lot of weight to have on your shoulders. And I don't even know if they were trading. Sometimes people were accusing Brett of trading with paper money. He had real accounts, but they were also accusing him of trading with paper money. And then Kevin Trades completely disappeared off the face of the earth when like some of these other signals guys were getting heat and getting shut down by the fucking feds. And Brett got out of that whole world of signals and started doing the prop firm trading stuff, which is smart of him to pivot. Yeah, he's good though. He's got cool intro. Like he does like order filled with like the fucking techno music and shit. But I actually used to pay for his signals back in the day, like a year or two ago. Yeah, Joe, like with Take Profit Trader. All right, so you only have to go up to 4,500, huh? That's cool. Yeah, I'm just catching up on the chat. Motive Wave on a Mac, is that like Andy TCG Andy? Is that like buying Parallels or VMware? Is it the same idea? I don't like having any of that shit on there. Motive Wave. I'll check it out later. Motive Wave. Oh, it's trading software. You could use Motive Wave on Bullinox. Bullinox. Motive Wave. Oh, whatever. They're weird anyway. Uh-oh, I just got filled. Holy shit, we came all the way back up. Let's see if it holds. We basically are at the pivot point on the Qs again and the NQ. Oh, yeah. You know what? I'm going to cancel all my orders and take profit trader. Why not? I'm up 960. That's a good first day. Oh, am I going to get filled in the second one? I hope so. But now, that was the algo candle. Is it going to keep pushing up? This is basically the last 5 minutes of the week. Yeah, man, Aukie, I'm going through all your stuff, man. That's so awesome. I'm really happy for you. Take that money, though. Take that money as soon as you can. Whatever you can take. Get some of it back, you know what I mean? And then keep building from there. Oh, are you seriously not going to fill me there? Oh, it's fucked up. Where was my order on Trade of 8? I just canceled it. 69. Did it hit 69? No, it didn't hit 69 anyway. I don't know what's going to happen here. Oh, there's a daily drawdown on Take Profit Trader. They all have daily drawdowns. I think that's what you're talking about, Joe. The daily drawdown goes up though as you build your it goes up with your balance, like it goes up with your profit. Peter, yeah, one lesson. I actually almost messed up today chasing $5. You see one? Ugh, I've been there. I did the same thing with an Apex with a funded Apex account that was at 5,900. I just wanted to push it up a little bit more to be at 6,000 or to be at a certain profit goal for the day. And let me lock some of this shit in. Fuck. Damn, that went down a bunch. Uh-oh. Let's just let this shit move around. Whatever. I kind of should have. I wasn't even paying attention. I was reading all the comments. I think it's going to keep going down. I mean, look. Right there. Pivot point. Pivot point rejection. Love to see it. I just don't know how much is going to go down. And that might have been it. I think it is more. I might. Whoops, wrong account. There we go. I'll put a fucking order in here it's the end of the day. And the other thing I learned about TopStep is you can't trade beyond 409 or 410. 410, it's done. So if you're in anything, I think at 409 it liquidates you. I mean, if I get filled here, I get filled here, but I wouldn't mind just getting taken out. Yeah. What's up, Al Cife? Is that TopStep? Yeah, this is the TopStep console. I love it. Uh-oh. Is this thing gonna pump now? This pivot point's not gonna hold because I didn't take my profit when I should have. Oh, I'm back green. Maybe I will get some. Oh shit. Hit it. Oh, thank you. Keep going. I'll put a stop right here. Limit stop by 1. That was cool. Oh, look at that. Bouncing right off the 34. Is it going to blow through all of this? Oh, yeah. Keep going. What's crazy is, oh, yeah, dump it. Oh, what just happened? Oh, I wasn't letting go of it. All right, I'm out. That was fun. I would have gotten, I canceled my take profit trade. Oh, my God. I canceled my take profit trader order that was at 69, and it would have gotten filled, and it went all the way down to fucking 50 just now. I don't think I would. I probably would have gotten taken out here just like TopStep, so it would have been $260 with one mini. Awesome. What a dump. You love to see it. I did it for the stream. Oh, I should trade this other account. I got to trade this other account. This one's up $1,000. This one's at 333. I'm happy with that. Let me just cancel all to make sure there is nothing hiding above or below the chart. I eat like a bird and shit like an elephant. Yeah, you're talking about taking small wins, small gains, and big L's. It's a native Mac program. I'll take. Oh yeah, I'm gonna check it out, Andy. Tequila is Ed Basin's best character. What's the character that he has in the gym when he goes to the gym? What's up, Ellipsis? He goes to the gym and he's like doing all this weird shit, and he's like wearing the wig and he's like going pff, pff, to other guys and shit. He's funny. Hell yeah, Aukie. Good shit, man. Really happy for you, bro. All right, Tony. I'll hit you up. We got to talk. We haven't talked in a little while. 1 billion on the buy side orders came in at 350. That was the bounce we just had. Okay. Oh, my bad, Joe. Who went? You did, Lefty? Oh man, I hate that. Sometimes you get out alive. Sometimes it doesn't end well. What a dump from the fucking pivot point, man. The pivot point. Look at these pivot points. Money. So we went as high as basically 71, 271, and now we're at almost a 30-point drop. But here's support right here. You know why this is support? Because actually, what is that anyway? That's just an area. It's just an area of support. It's nothing. Oh yeah, it's right. Maybe it's over here. I don't know. I just see like right here. Just seemed like right here. Just seemed like support. Seller stepped in. Yeah. Thanks, Alcy. Appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Yeah. Watch that one just look at it. He's like, he says look at it like 100 times. Oh man. Yeah. Make sure you subscribe, Alcy. Thanks for fucking hanging out. It's great to have you. What's up? What's up, Mahmood? What's going on? What is going on? Just took a nice trade. Played that pivot point. I got to trade this one. I do want to trade this one, but look at this. It's like a head and shoulders. I bet we go down even more. Maybe. I took this trade right here. Last trade for 250. A lot of winning trades in a row on this account. Boom. Look at that. Good day. Can I see? I think I can see my performance. Yeah, here we go. Win rate, 81% today. What about the other days? This one has no data because I haven't traded in it yet. I mean, I'd be stupid to try and take something here, but I might as well just because I need to get the fucking trade in with 5 minutes left. Yeah, Lefty, bro, I've been there. I think I went full tilt earlier this week. Remember with number 65 on my Apex account. That one could have ended really badly. I was trying to nuke it. And then I finally came to my senses and got out, and then I got it all back during the regular trading hours. And since then, since that happened, that day I finished up $91, and then I got 434 the day after. 91 plus 434 plus like 549, I think it was 549 yesterday, and then today I'm at 297. So since all that happened, I added another $1,371 to that account, and now it's less. It's $520 away from, being eligible for a payout, and the withdrawal period's coming on Wednesday. It starts on Wednesday. So what a fucking recovery! I call that account the comeback kid. Right, Harvey? We rejecting off of this. Wait, I'm done trading my Take Profit Trader account. But damn, that would have been amazing. I just let myself get filled at 69 and ride it for 20 points. Probably would have got out around here because I just know myself. I don't think I would have held it much longer, especially being up $960. But that sucks. I literally canceled the trade 2 minutes before that fucking happened. Oh well, I'm up 960 on one day, on day one. Let me see. Let's see if I could. I'll play a fucking rejection here because you got the 9, you got the 105. Buy. No, sell. Limit sell. 1. Let's get this thing going. I'll do a market sell. I don't know. There's only a few more minutes left in this. Yeah, I'm loving. Alcy, if you're still here, I'm loving this TopStep interface. It's really good. Yeah, and you almost get like Lefty, man. When you're in it, when you're going through it, man, you're almost like paralyzed and you can't get yourself out of it until the account just goes bye bye. A lot of times you just watch it like you're watching a train wreck in slow motion. You know you could get out of the position, but you just sit there and stare at it like, oh, it's going to turn back. It's going to work in my favor. Yeah, okay. Yeah, why not, Peter? Just obviously the one that's aggressive, you just wait for the setups and just go in heavy. Wait for like your money. Like I'm sure you have, at least 3, 4, 5 things that you look for before different things that you see, like you'll take trades based on. So the one that gives you the biggest return on average, just wait for those only and fucking go in heavy, like a pivot point bounce or rejection. Yeah, I'm kind of done testing things with Apex accounts. I've been testing with 64 of them. you know, I just want to fucking get paid consistently. I'll test on evals. Yeah, wait for the money setup and then fucking load up. I don't know if I would load up full port, but like maybe half or whatever your size is. Damn, I wish I got filled. I knew this was gonna happen. Damn it. Oh, there's only 1 minute left. I need to take a trade here. Bye. All right, I'm in. I got a trade day in. Not like it's gonna matter. I don't think they care. I'm gonna get liquidated. What a degenerate. I don't even care. I mean, what is it? What am I gonna lose? Fucking $50? Maybe I'll get some money. Let's go. Finish green. I don't think it matters so much with TopStep because you could pass in 2 days. But I'm not going to go up $1,500 today, so it doesn't matter. But I wanted to get the trade in. Just why not get some data? This shit's about to end. I'm gonna get liquidated, losing like $20. Watch this. I'm gonna load up. Should I load up? Watch this. I'm in 5 right now. Let's see if I get liquidated for a gain or for a loss. For the stream. Here we go. Probably for a loss, it's looking like. Oh, oh. Am I still in though? How am I still in? I thought it liquidates you. I guess I can't place any new orders. Now I'm scared. Like, can I get out of this fucking position? What's gonna happen? I guess I could just close position. Let's see what happens. Yeah, the days don't matter. What's up, Alfred? They don't matter as much. Uh-oh. I thought it liquidates you. It just said the market is closed, but it didn't liquidate me. Let me refresh this. Let's see what happens. No, I'm still in the position. Whatever. It's a new account. I don't even fucking care. This account. This account is what this account matters. This account, I mean, they all matter, but you know, I'm just fucking around right now. ES closes before NQ. I didn't know that. Now I'm liquidated. I got liquidated. All right, so I lost. So it didn't work in my favor. I loaded up. I went five. I went balls deep with five, and I said it's either going to liquidate me green or red. It liquidated me red for a loss of $119. Whatever. Yeah, all good, Alfred. Don't worry. You didn't miss much. I'll give you guys an update. I got well, I logged out of my Apex account. Let me hide my screen. This is a new take profit trader test account because I nuked my fucking pro account already. And then I got another test account and nuked that one rapidly. The London hours killed me, man. The London Open, leading up to the London Open, and then London Open killed me. And then now this is another one. This is day one. I'm done trading here. $960. What's annoying, and it's just funny at the same time because that would happen to me. I had an order for 69, and I canceled it right as the market, like right when we hit 1 o'clock. I canceled it, and then 2 minutes later, it fucking hit. It would have filled me, and then it dumped like 20 points. So that was cool. But whatever. I'm up 960 on day one. I'll get this shit fucking. I'll get this shit back up to 3,000, and I'll have another pro account, and I won't have to pay the upgrade fee. Whoop-de-doo. And then my top step, you know, this happened. Oh, look, now it went up. Now it went up. I would have been green now. What did I get taken out at? 248. Yeah, I'd be up a little bit right now, or at least break even. That's funny. Um, this one this one got temporarily liquidated, but I think this one's actually smoked. Like I can't. I'm pretty sure this one's done. And then this one I smoked for. I mean, whatever. It's $19. This one's up 1,000 today, up 1,333 overall. So I like that. And then this one's brand new. I just fucked around and found out. Whatever. $119 is easy to come back from. There's my take profit trader account. I'm gonna hide my screen and give you my update for those that haven't seen it or are interested. I'm hiding my screen so I can log into my Apex account without you seeing my login because I don't have it saved on my computer, like with a password saver thingy. Look at that, 49.25. Anyway, you love my confidence. Yeah, I don't know if it's. I just hope it's not misguided confidence. I'd like to think I'm a pretty good trader now. I just need to limit the boneheaded dumb shit, especially with funded accounts. All right, so let me turn my screen sharing back on. Entire screen share. All right, back to Apex. So this is on day three, number 66. Got it up another $262. I'm not trying to pump this thing because I can't. I won't be able to take a withdrawal until June 1st, no matter what, at the very least. As assuming I keep growing it, right? But I can't take it. It's not going to fall into the nearest upcoming payout window. So no need to try to push this and get monster gains or anything like that. I'm not even doing that with any Apex account at this point. I'm just trying to make a couple of good trades and be done. So like this one, I got up 297. I'm like, you know what? I'm good. I'm at 2,080 in profit. I just need to get another $520 basically to qualify for a withdrawal, and then I'm on day 7. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is days, are days 8, 9, and 10. And then Thursday, if and when I get over the 2,600 on Thursday, I'll be able to request a withdrawal and request a payout. So it'll be my second ever payout as a prop firm trader. It'll be, obviously I'm gonna, if when that time comes, I will be taking the max, taking the 2,000. So that'll be cool. Just got to be smart, right? Can't do anything dumb, and don't. If I mess up, can't be trying to chase it and revenge trade. So let me just do this again because there were orders in here before. I almost fucking. I don't think it would have went down and hit it, but you never know. All right, so that's Apex. That's all my stuff. Yeah, yeah, man. You know how it is. 200 a day. Yeah, I mean, like if I could hold some of my positions, like I wait for the good setups on that. Like if I could hold some of my positions a little longer, they could be $400 and $600 days. It really just depends on how it plays out. Like yesterday was 65. I think yesterday I got 549.50. So like from like 2 or 3 trades. I just don't want to be, you know, I just don't want to find myself like making a ton of trades just to get up a few $100. I don't like that. I don't like doing that on an Apex account, on any funded account. So just gotta wait. Just be patient. Patience is the key with this stuff. Yeah, Alfred, like 100%, man. Why am I have my earbuds in like I'm on the phone or like I'm using them this whole time? I was on the phone before. Uh, so I mean, nothing's gonna happen for the rest of the day. I do want to check out this motive shit. Motive, motive wave. Pricing. I guess this would be it right here. Community charting and trading simulation platform. 24 bucks isn't bad. 24 bucks is not bad at all. And this will allow me to trade with Bolinox. That's interesting. Current editions, updates, and support. Oh, so it's like a desktop software for Mac. So this is a desktop software. I guess my license. Yeah, I'll look into this. This is cool. Thanks for sharing it with me. Motive Wave. Who was it? Motive Wave. What is this? The Joe Rogan Experience, Cat Williams. When did I open that? Oh, that might have came on after the Cat Williams. Where's Motive Wave? Can I search in here? No. You've only blown 3 Apex accounts or funded accounts? That's like nothing, bro. I wish I only blew 3. TCG Andy's the one who told me about Motive Wave. Thanks, Andy. I appreciate it. I'm gonna check. I'm gonna look into it some more. I don't know if I want to trade on Bolinox per se, um, but if I wanted to, I mean, because they have, I don't know. I don't know how much longer they have their deal. It was like $17. I actually have one. I have an account right now. I can't trade on it, but maybe I'll mess with that Motive Wave. I don't know. I just don't like the idea of having to pay for a third party software to fucking trade in an account that I already paid for. You know what I mean? I paid money. I paid for an eval account. You know, I should be able to trade no matter what. So the fact that I would have to use a third party service like Motive Wave or whatever, or there's another one, Rhythmic for Mac. What the fuck is it? Mobile. It was like Mobile Rhythmic. Mobile Rhythmic Mobile. The mobile version. Maybe I need to do it on my. There was a service that you. Where is it, man? Well, whatever. Rhythmic Trader Mobile. Is that what it is? Yeah, from Optimus Futures. I don't know where it is. I was looking at it the other day, but it was like $30 a month or some shit, $60 a month, depending on what it was. Oh, Optimus Futures is just another prop firm. Gee, there's so many of them. Optimus Prime. Huh. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, thanks, Andy. I saw. I found you. I found it in this. I found it in the chat. I was scrolling through the chat. Um, it will trade any Rhythmic account. Yeah, I heard Rhythmic is cool. Yeah, you like log into some like virtual PC or some shit like that. Almost, it's almost like a virtual Windows setup or something environment. I don't know. I don't remember because I was looking at another one that did that. I just don't like the idea of having to pay for something when I already spent money on a fucking eval. I should be able to trade for free, but they only let you trade on Rhythmic with them. So it was my fault. Yeah, there's prop firms. I mean, yeah, because there's so much money in it. If you just like look at us in this chat right now, there's 24 of us, including myself, right? There's 24 of us watching this thing. Think how much money they've gotten from all of us combined. It's fucking insane how much money is in prop firms. So our job is to get some of that money back for all of us, right? That's our job. Get money back and be profitable. Our job is to win. Yeah, I think Dom, I think that's a good way to finish the week on a high note, right? Finish on a high note. I know I'm not finishing on a high note with this thing, but I don't care. Like this was just me fucking around. I wanted to see what would happen. I was hoping, it just went the other, of course it went the other way, but $119 ain't shit. PA lifetime trading micros only on them. So you have nine 50Ks and one 25K. It will trade yeah. That's good, man. You paid the lifetime fee? I used to pay the lifetime fee. I paid the lifetime fee the first few times, and then I realized that uh, uh, it's going to be a little bit of a challenge for me to hold on to funded accounts, especially early on. So I stopped paying the lifetime fee, and I have still to this day have not had an account more than a month. But it seems like you know what you're doing, obviously. So you'll hopefully have better luck than me. Yeah, I've heard good things about Rhythmic, aside from the fact that you can't use it on a Mac. You would think after all these years they would make it. That's like Fidelity. They're fucking what the fuck do they have? They have like they have something that tries to mimic E-Trader, but it doesn't work on Macs. How fucking stupid is that? Like people More people use Max than not. At least in my head, I think everybody, like a lot. I know a ton of people that use Max. You've only blown your first, yeah. You're obviously an experienced trader. I'm using a free bot from Trader Oracle called Skyfire, and it prints money. Okay. Yeah. So some of us aren't as good. Like even with the bot, like some of us, I'm not. It's not worth the extra. Maybe in the down the road when I'm more consistent and I'm like I'm I keep growing my portfolio of Apex funded accounts, and I'm like pulling out, I'm getting paid every 2 weeks with multiple accounts, then only then will I start paying the lifetime fee when I'm more confident and consistent, in being able to keep those accounts. Because then once you get your payout, then let's say I get to when I get this one. All right, let's not talk about this one, right? Because I don't want to jump the gun. I don't want to get ahead of myself. So my last one, I was actually at 3,000 and I gave some of it back like an idiot. But after my withdrawal was approved, my request was approved, my my trailing max drawdown was $655. So it's not a lot of room to work with, even with micros. And I hate fucking trading micros personally. Okay, so the bot like looks for the spot, and then yeah, that's cool, man. Huh. So much cool stuff out there. Yeah, I don't know if Apex. I don't think. Well, yeah, bullpen. I mean, we all have a different approach. I just don't. I just haven't trusted myself yet to get a lifetime account. I'm not there yet. When when I'm pulling $10,000 a month from Apex in payouts, I'll pony up for the lifetime account because I have one of my goals is to have multiple accounts that get to 3 months. Really, you only need one account to get to the 3 month because then you could just pull out unlimited amounts of money. So that's my goal is to get to the point where I have at least one account that lasts 3 months. But if you're pulling money that whole time, like it doesn't even matter what the monthly fee is. But yeah, I would, once I'm like, regularly pulling 10 grand out a month with like, with Apex or just prop firms in general as a whole, I'll pony up for the lifetime. Because at that point, I'll be more, at that point, you would think, I'm more consistent. But right now, I only pulled 2,000 out. I'm working for my next 2,000, working towards that. And I'm just going to keep building from there. There's a saying, how do you eat an elephant? You guys know how to eat an elephant? My wife's over here making fun of me. She knows, though. She knows.
I'm making fun of you.
She's not.
I know
She's
the
answering the question.
saying.
Yeah, she knows the saying. She's not making fun of me.
We
Look at
said
her.
it to each other.
She got exactly. She got. Look at you, Melissa.
Yeah.
Maybe I should have you sitting next to me on the stream. I'll have so many more people on here.
Let the mystery of them wondering what I look like.
Yeah. Yeah. So you eat an elephant one bite at a time. Yeah, Bullten knows. Yeah, man. So you haven't blown a pay. How many PA accounts do you have, Bullten? Some prop firms do. I don't know if they recognize them, but there are. I don't know. Some prop firms are very specific, saying no trading bots, but obviously people use them. I guess you got to be undetectable. If you're getting filled by the bot and then you're getting out of the trade yourself, then it might it doesn't look like, because I bet bots, like if they're right, they're like get the perfect entries and exits, I guess, maybe. I don't know. You want to try TopStep? Here's the advice. Here's my advice. Here's my advice. Click this link. That's my advice. Click that link. and then you put TopStepX as the promo code. But the advice would be, I mean, are you new to like trading futures with prop firms? Just take your time and learn. Watch the charts. Don't do anything crazy. Don't get in too big of a position. I don't know where you're at, you know. Had 2 of them since October. Wow. Damn, bull tent. You really are patient. Holy shit, bro. Yeah, the 150, Andy, I like the 150K evals. The biggest thing I like about them is the trailing max drawdown. But yeah, you have to go up 9,000 to pass, which you could do in a couple of trades if you play, you know, a pivot point bounce or rejection. You know, those things are crazy. Like right here, this dump right here, 71 to 48. You go all in. Obviously, you might not want to do that, but 17 times 5 is 340. No, it's, yeah, 85 times 4 is 340. So 340, how many points was that? 70 to 20 points. 20 times 340. Obviously, you're not getting all of it. You're at 6,800 right there from that one trade, and you could have done it on the way up too. But yeah, you don't have to go up as much on the. Yeah, yeah, yep, they do. What's up, Jamila? They certainly do. I learned that the hard way the other day. It's not that bad. Yeah, the 150 isn't bad, but maybe you go five at a time, 7 at a time. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, so yeah, I mean, you don't, so you know how to trade. But with the prop firms, just don't be too aggressive, especially they have a daily loss limit, but it won't nuke your account. It'll just stop you from trading for the rest of the day. Yeah, I'm not an expert at trading either. You just gotta, just learn how it moves around. Find some indicators, get some moving averages on there, and just watch. I highly recommend you add pivot points to your chart, like use TradingView. Even though you have the chart here, right? This is the TopStep chart, and it does pull from TradingView. It doesn't have any of the community scripts in here. So the pivot points aren't in here, right? It's a community script. So I recommend you get TradingView if you don't have it already. And like you put the pivot points on here. Look at this. Rejection right off the pivot point. Add the pivot points, put the orb on there maybe. And this is just my setup. I guarantee you, there's 31 other people in here right now. I guarantee you they all look for different things. I mean, some of us might have some things in common in terms of what we look for, but we all have a different setup and a different methodology of how we trade. The computer guy. So that's why you like using bots, because it's some sort of application and you're a computer guy. Am I subscribed to my own channel? That's so weird. It just said for you, ZERODAYJAY. That's funny. That's funny. Gotcha. Yeah. Yeah, man. Exactly. So like that's another example of somebody, that's just you have your own way of doing things. We all have our own way of doing things. What's up, Harvey? You want to go out? Gotta let my dog out. That's awesome, man. See, I am not a computer pro. I'm not a computer guy. Although people think I'm a computer guy because I do like online marketing, it's not the same as being a computer guy. I'm good at marketing, not great with computers. It's like so many times, like over the years, like someone would have something wrong with their computer, be like, "Oh, Jay's a computer guy. Maybe he could help me figure out what's wrong with it." I'm like, you want me to look at your copy and your landing page layout? I could help you with that. Yeah, I mean, you're right, Lefty. But Andy obviously has it dialed in. He dialed it in to suit his needs and his trading style, basically, and it's working for him. Yeah, I'm hoping. Yeah, gotcha. I got to figure out how to do the trailing stop loss, honestly, because that's not a bad thing to have. Oh wow, I'm taking you, right? Yeah, mommy's gonna be at work. Oh, you get to ride in the car too. I got to take my daughter to art later. She doesn't like. She thinks my car smells compared to my wife's truck. Oh yeah, that's not a bad idea. Maybe Jordan will take you. Anyway, um, Optimus Ninja, and you just add a contract every time it prints a dot. Yeah, yeah. I mean, there's a lot of cool ones. Andy, I hope you're not a bot yourself. Andy, yeah, this is like AI talking. Andy, are you AI under the order type? Okay. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna look into that because that could probably benefit me clearly, especially if I go on full tilt. Top step, you could have up to ten combine. They call their so Apex has Apex calls it evals. Top Take Profit Trader calls it a test account. TopStep calls it combine accounts. You could have 10 on this TopStepX. That's how much they'll let you have. I'm not really sure how many you could get funded. How many? Whoops, shit. That's not what I wanted to do. How many? And hey, Alcy, if you need to get new evals from Apex, use my coupon code. You'll get the 80% off deal in 1 day to pass. Shameless plug by your boy. Anyway, how many funded TopStep accounts can you have? I'm looking it up on the internet. Okay, you can have 3 funded accounts. So you could get 10 evals, you could get 10 combine accounts, which are like the test accounts, right? You could have as many as 10 with TopStepX. I don't know if you can with the other platforms. I'm still learning about it, but right now I'm just focused on TopStepX, and that's what I know about it. And you could have as many as 3 funded accounts, three express funded accounts, which are like basically the same as the Combine, but they're just a funded version. They're on the funded side, and then the live funded account, which they would you can't just get a live funded account. I guess if you keep making money, if they keep paying you, they're going to offer it to you, and you could have a live account and be in trading in a live environment. Which who knows how long that I don't know how good it we'll see. I don't know how it really depends on how much money you make. So I wouldn't worry about the live account, but you could have 3 different size. You have 3 whatchamacallit. You could have 3 funded accounts. That's the short answer. The short answer to that question. Yeah, thank you, Alfred. Thank you, Tactical. I wish I just waited for you guys to answer the question so I didn't have to give that long-winded, stuttering, fucking prick answer. Yeah, I do want to test it, Alfred. Definitely. I was only kidding about asking you if you were AI, Andy. I know you're a real person. There's another Andy in here, but I think it's the other I think the other Andy is I think that's a different Andy. This is TCG Andy, the computer guy Andy, and then there's another Andy, Andy H. I don't know where he went. Unless Andy H, is that you and you just changed your name? He was in here before. Okay, yeah. So yeah, there's 2 Andys. Both cool dudes, both real people. Yeah, I don't like showing this one. Let me flip that. Yeah, that's much better. That's much better. Yeah, obviously I'm not going to take any more trades. I can't take any more trades in Top Step. There's no literally the market is it's done, and I'm good with everything. Everything I have, I'm good with how everything is finished. I mean, I'm sure there'll be a little bit of a push. Yeah, here we go. Here's a little end of day push in either direction. A little dump here, 4 or 5 points. I mean, I guess if you want to work an account, I guess you could trade this, but this shit has no rhyme or reason at the end of the day. There's no volume. This is all algo shit, algo trading. All right, Bull Tent, you do the same. I'll see you soon. Enjoy your weekend. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna call it a day, call it a week. I'm doing the pee pee dance here anyway. I got to go to the bathroom. I know, yeah, but yeah, I'm not gonna trade anymore, and I got to make my update videos. So anyway, yeah, you guys have a great weekend. Uh, was a pleasure hanging out with you as always. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for being on the stream. If you're not a subscriber yet, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, all that fun stuff. And yeah, use my coupon codes if you want to support the channel. That's not the only way you can support. Just by being here, you're supporting. But that always helps too. On your next eval, on your first eval, test account, all that stuff. I'll see you guys soon. And thanks you.